hype me up, yeah. Every single day we cut up, yeah. Hype me up, yeah. Every single day we cut up, kill 'em.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing a Mardi Gras shoebox float. Right now I am just gluing the cardstock down to the shoebox. I strongly suggest that you use 12 by 12 cardstock if you're going to cover it with paper. I am simply placing the shoebox onto the cardstock and drawing a line where I need to cut. Once I get it cut, I will hot glue it to the box. Here you see me putting my straws onto the box. I strongly suggest that you wait till you get all your paper on the sides first. Now we are repeating the steps that we did for the shoebox for the lid. All you do is measure, cut, and hot glue. My son gave me this project at the last minute, so I really didn't have a plan. So I am kind of winging it. Here you see me cutting the beads, and we're getting ready to start measuring the sides for the beads and the mask. I suggest that you measure how long you need the beads, cut all the beads you need for both sides, and then hot glue. Unlike me having to measure each and every time. It'll save you so much time, I promise. I never told y'all what material I am using. I'm using a glue gun, scissors, beads, mask, and straws, and of course a shoebox. We do live in Louisiana, so a lot of our beads came from our Mardi Gras parade that they have every year, but you can purchase masks and beads from Dollar Tree. These paper straws can be purchased at Hobby Lobby, Michael's, Walmart, or any party store. I craft quite often, so I did not measure when I put my hot glue in the lid. I just put it on the four corners and I spread a lot in the middle because I didn't know exactly where the straws were going to be. It was about 11 o'clock at night. I just wanted to get it done. This is the mask that I purchased last night from Dollar Tree. It is just a simple foam mask, and we hot glued it to the straws in the inside of the box. Now I'm about to begin to fill in the gaps. I cut a strand of beads. I'm taking around the edge of the lid, and I'll take a few down the sides. It does not matter if your beads aren't long enough. Just cut another string of beads and continue where you left off. Once you get to the end, just clip it. My son is telling me what colors that he wants down the sides, and we're just going to continue to fill in the gaps. Anywhere you see a gap, you can always place beads or whatever else you choose. You do not have to use the same colors that I use. You can use whatever colors that you have available to you. Once I finished creating the float, I did let him come in and help me put the beads in the inside. It was looking kind of empty, so we just filled it in with our extra beads. Here's our finished product. As you can see, we ended up putting purple beads on each corner of the shoebox as well. It's all about what you prefer. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to like this video, subscribe, and comment.